Hi everyone, um, my name is Henry Oswabo and today I'll be demonstrating my JavaScript language model project for CSC 310. Now this is going to be an interactive quiz learning, a console based quiz, used with my JavaScript knowledge, and it contains 15 multiple choice questions. Let's see how it works. Now we will go straight to our console here, and I will demonstrate this by doing node quiz.jx. Then I press enter, and once that happens, you can see the welcome screen. It shows total of 15 questions, the multiple choice format A, B, C, D, some newly added features, exit, restart. Now these are the available commands that we can use to actually make this particular quiz interactive section works. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to the name. We enter the name, let's say Prince, and I press enter. Now it welcomes me. Welcome Prince, you have question 1 of 15. My score is 0, so I've not started. So now let's try a question. Now they say, what is the correct way to declare a variable in JavaScript? Let's say A is the correct answer. I use A. Correct, great job. Now let's try answering this. Now say which of these follow is not a JavaScript type data. Now I will try answering the wrong question. Let's say I answer D. Incorrect. You can see it tells us when we are correct and when we are incorrect. Now let's try using one of those multiple choice that are not available here. Now I told you we are using A to D as a multiple choice format. Now let's try answering this with X and C. Now invalid input. Now you can see that we have an invalid input. So let's see what happens when we are done with this. I will try to run through this particular score so you can see how this works in that. So now let's say I answer this B. Okay, then okay, this is C. E. Trying to hurry the whole thing to see how we get to the final end. Okay. Let's see what happens when we are done with this. Trying to hurry the whole thing up so we can. Now we have 13 out of 15. Okay, now you can see what happened here. Now once we are done with the quiz, it gives you the analysis of your quiz, the quiz completed, the final result, and the name, the keep learning, the practice, the review, and every other thing that needs to be corrected in the listing. Then if you like to play again, you press yes. If you don't want, you press no and press enter. And you thank you for playing and say goodbye, and application close. So this is my application for this module 310. Thank you for watching.